from the print and electronic media. The urgency of this press conference is about the development which has happened since yesterday. If you look at what has transpired is, the Congress party, which champions itself as a party that follows the Gandhian principles of truth, is now seen to have been caught between the devil and the deep sea. They cannot fool the people of India anymore by diverting attention through dharnas and condemnations of all sorts, because its topmost leadership now has been cheated under PMLA. So I'm sure everybody knows the famous National Herald case. It's a very landmark legal battle which is going on, and their leader, Srimati Sonia Gandhi, and the current leader of the opposition, Sri Rahul Gandhi, has been named as the topmost accused, amongst others. So now you can see that there's a money trail and various transactions which has been established by documentary evidence. So we, the people of Meghalaya, would like to put a question to the Congress party, that is it not true that the Congress and corruption is synonymous? Now that the facts are in the open, the way the AGL was through fraudulent means, how was AGL acquired by Young India Private Limited, which was a company, which was a company formed just in the year 2012, if I'm not mistaken. And the major shareholders of the company, 76% stake of that company is owned none other by Sonia Gandhi ji and Rahul Gandhi. So now it is out in the open that how the properties of that was owned by AGL now gets converted to a firm, a private firm, which is owned by one particular family. Because AGL, if you look at the history of AGL, when the National Herald, you see, the National Herald newspaper was established most probably in the year 1937. The purpose of that newspaper was to instill the minds of freedom fighting, which happened during those years. And approximately 5,000 freedom fighters were shareholders in AGL. So how can now, it's kind of a fraud which has happened to the shareholders, and I'm sure, if you go through the readings, that there's a fraud which is being committed. That how the shareholders have been duped, and now that entire property worth thousands and thousands, approximately 5,000 crores, 5,000 worth of public property, now is being owned by a private entity owned by one family having 76% stake in it. So this is what we want to ask the Congress party, that what else do they have now to tell to the people, especially of our state, when they bring up various numerous kind of agitations or maybe condemnations on small issues. But this is what a major issue is all about. They're trying to divert the minds of the people. But this is where we have to concentrate. So that is what we want to tell the people of Meghalaya, that the Congress party has to answer to these key questions which we as a party, the Bharatiya Janata Party, put to them. And I'm sure people should be, people are they are the spectators. They should see what's going on. They should follow up the National Herald case. And I'm sure after the ED has charge sheeted them, so now we urge upon the Congress leadership to stop these, this cheap rhetorics, and allow the law of the land to take the case to where it reaches. It should reach a logical end.